Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Allocate Me application not working on your Android device. In order to fix Allocate Me application on your Android device, the first thing you'll need to do is to force stop and reopen the app. From the bottom left of your Android device, tap on the hamburger menu. This will then bring up the app cards displayed on the screen. Close off your app cards and then this will force close your application. Once you force close the app, go ahead and reopen the app from your app drawer and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to check if you have a stable internet connection. Try turning on your Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure that your device connects to it. Once you are connected, go ahead and launch open the Settings app from your Android phone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Look for the Allocate Me application from the app list and tap on it to open up the app info page. Now click on Storage. Click both Clear Data and Clear Cache on the next page at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done with it, launch open the Allocate Me application and try logging in and see if that works. If none of these steps works for you, try deleting and reinstalling the app and you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through Allocate Me application not working on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.